Two seemingly unrelated areas, digital printing and construction, can be connected perfectly and open up new opportunities. A stencil, printed with Dimense technology, can be used to create unique structures and patterns on any solidifying materials. This technology simplifies the process of putting structure on a pure or colored concrete and can be widely used in creating different and customized products such as walls with special decoration for private houses, or unique branding in offices, structured floor, signboards, outdoor design elements, and many more other applications. You will be surprised how quickly and easily it can be done. You need to prepare and mold with a stencil at the bottom. Then fill it with concrete and leave it to dry. The final step is to remove the mold and enjoy the result. Dimense digital concrete allows you to put any design on solidifying materials, such as concrete or gypsum, and brings a unique structure to any space. Dimense digital printing technology brings a new opportunity and simplifies the customization of structural surface in the construction industry.